Hi, how you doing? My name is George. I'm from Worthington Distribution, and today we're going to talk about the Russound MBX-AMP and their line of speakers and their new Swiftlock technology. In the next section, we'll talk about how it makes it a lot easier for installation. So, in order to show you real quick about the Swiftlock technology, upon installation, grab it from the middle. You'd sort of kind of be fighting with the screwdriver here like this. With the Swiftlock technology, you just kind of snap them into place. Real easy. That's it, you're done. Real quick, I just wanted to show you the Swiftlock dog ear technology and how they grab right onto the drywall and hold the speaker in place. There it is. See how easy that is? Okay, since we talked about the speaker portion, I want to get back into the Russound amp. Again, it's a 24-bit digital amp. It's designed to simplify the installation into your home, so you're not running wires all the way back to one location. So it can hook to a TV real easily. It supplies 3 sources: local source, Bluetooth, or it also has USB connection where you just plug the USB right in the back. Some of the streaming services it provides is XM, TuneIn, Spotify, Deezer, Pandora. And it can also be controlled by the Russound app right on your phone, or with a Russound touchscreen XTS interface, which we'll show you. Okay, as you know, I wanted to show you the XTSPlus touchscreen. These are typically installed at the entrance to the room. The interface on the touchscreen is the same as the app, and it will provide the same consistent user experience. The XTSPlus touchscreen can also be used with any other Russound controller, such as the MCA88 or the 66. In conclusion, the MBX-AMP provides a high-quality audio solution that is simple to install, saving you time and keeping your customers happy. From all of us here at Worthington Distribution, we thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 800-282-8864. Thanks again.